Ripple is making clean energy ownership affordable and accessible for everyone.
We're here today at the site of the Greyfeather turbine. It's owned by 900 Ripple customers, and we've invited as many as possible down.
Well, my favourite thing about Ripple is that they do seem to be keen to be green.
It's allowing the community to get involved in saving the environment.
I joined Ripple because we just wanted to power our home renewably.
When I got my first bill saving, I felt really smug.
We make it easy for our customers to have a real climate impact and slash their electricity bills as well.
To reduce their carbon footprint, to reduce their electricity bill, to help green the UK grid. We're all here to do something really, really amazing together.